Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm here with this pot noodles. It's an original curry flavor and be unforgettable in 4 minutes. That means you just need to pour hot water in it and within 4 minutes it's instant to eat, and then you will be lost. They mean that. So this is how it looks like from top, and from here you just need to pluck it out and just open it. Just open it. Now over here you can see some spices already there, some peas and other veggies are there. And what they're saying, add some mango sauce. So this is mango sauce. After adding some water, hot boiling water to it, you have to add this mango sauce as per your taste and flavor. So now I have kept water to boil, so let's wait and watch how it will turn. Now I'm pouring this hot water to it. Wow. One thing which I didn't like about it, they haven't given the fork inside it, because most of the time instant noodle they provide fork also, because when you're traveling and you could eat easily. By that time I'm gonna cut this mango sauce and put it inside it. So now the mango sauce has also been there. We have to wait for, they have said 4 minutes, so still 4 minutes is not done, but as you can see the noodle has started coming up. It's getting soaked and I believe it will taste yum. It has little crispiness, but if I'll talk about the taste, it doesn't have that much of salt. It's kind of, blank flavor. That mango sauce also, I don't know where it went. It's not tasting that yum as per me, because I like spicy.